Tonight, we are keeping a close eye to see how negotiations play out between Kaiser Permanente and union workers. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Marcella Lee.
I'm Jesse Pagan. As it stands, 75,000 Kaiser workers could walk off their jobs as early as tomorrow morning if contract talks fall through. CBS 8's Rocío Lafe is live in Kearny Mesa with what workers are asking for as they try to hammer through last-minute negotiations. Rocío?
Yeah, and we're still waiting to find out what the outcomes of those talks will be. We're told negotiations could go on all night long. Patients everywhere, though, are hoping an agreement comes sooner rather than later.
Thousands of Kaiser Permanente workers across the nation are preparing to go on strike Wednesday morning if no deal is reached.
It is not what this workforce wants to do, but it is what we are being left no choice to do.
The coalition of Kaiser Permanente unions and the healthcare system have been negotiating since April, but were unable to come to an agreement before their contract expired on September 30th. The union accuses Kaiser of unfair labor practices.
They have a lot of employees that are very knowledgeable with a lot of potential, and the fact that they don't want to invest and they don't want to bargain in good faith is very disappointing.
The union is pushing for better pay. Employees are also complaining about being overworked and understaffed. They say critical staffing shortages are affecting the quality of patient care.
It used to be a 24-hour return call. Now it's taking 72 hours to a week. Cancer screening, even that alone, sometimes it's taking us up to a month and a half to wait for a simple appointment. How is that okay? That's not okay.
Workers are asking for across-the-board pay increases, retiree medical plans, and protection against subcontracting and outsourcing. The strike will include hundreds of positions, including nurses, pharmacists, home health aides, and more. In a statement, Kaiser says leaders and members of the union have been making progress. They go on to say, our goal is to reach a fair and equitable agreement. The healthcare company says it plans to continue patient care if a strike takes place and says its hospitals and emergency departments will remain open.
And if no deal is reached, this could be the largest healthcare worker strike in U.S. history. Kaiser has a website for patients to visit with more information on what may affect their specific community or region. We've posted a link to that on our website, cbs8.com. Back to you.
Rocío, if a strike does happen, how long would it last?
Well, if a strike does happen, it would last a total of 3 days, beginning at 6 a.m. tomorrow, all the way through Saturday, 6 a.m. Both parties and, of course, patients just hoping that it does not come to that.
All right, Rocío, a lot of people exactly hoping it does not come to that. Rocío, fair for us tonight. Rocío, thank you.